my loves, how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comment section. I miss y'all so much. I want to know how the stuffing is going, how the saving is going, how the channels are going, how the websites are going. Whatever new adventure you started, I would love to know how it's going. Let me know. Also, comment below if you have a channel. I would love to support you. Okay, so comment your channels down below. I will subscribe back to your channels. I love to return the love. Okay, so I do want to let you guys know that I'm starting a WhatsApp group. We can help each other share information financially, where, you know, probably someone didn't know how, this person know how, whatever. I want us to build each other up in the budgeting community. You know, we never know what someone's going through. You never know what information you have that you can share that can help someone in some type of way. So that's the whole reason for me creating the group chat. If you want to be a part of that group chat, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram with your phone number and I will add you guys to the group chat. Let's start off the video how we always start off our videos, with a positive quote from our You Can Do Anything positive inspirational quote bundle. So let's jump right into it. As we do it, we're going to pick a card from the front and we're going to see what it says. Great things await you. Oh my god, y'all don't understand. Like, seeing this just added a ton more of motivation to me. Sometimes y'all don't even know, I try and sometimes things come in the way, and not that I feel like I want to stop trying, I just feel a little, you know, discouraged. So seeing this today makes me feel way better. Great things await you. So it just gives me a little push, and I hope that it also does that for you guys. I hope that it gives you a push as well, the way it gives me a push. But this is just a great little quote. Love it. And I hope that I was able to do something for you with this quote as well. Today's video, we are going to stuff some new low-income saving challenges that I added to my challenges. What I want to say to you guys is, it has been a little tough since July coming over in August. I've been doing a lot of traveling. I've been doing a lot of ups and downs, and I ran off track a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm just gonna come out and say it. I kind of ran off track. So this is me trying to get back on track, and this is me trying to, you know, probably go lower a little bit on my amounts. That way I can get to my goals instead of setting something too high in which I can't reach, if you know what I mean. So I've made these challenges for lower income people, and I have put aside some for myself, and today I'm going to stuff these new challenges. So that's what we're doing in this video. I think I have $110, if I'm not mistaken, to put into this challenge. So let's see. Let's count the cash. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20. So we have $120 actually to put away in our new low income saving challenges. So let's get into that. I haven't even divided where I want it to go as yet. Ooh, all right, let's just work. Let's see what we're gonna do. So let's put up our money. We have the 20s, we have the 10s, and we have the 5s. So this is what we're working with, right? Okay, so let's grab that binder and let's get into it. And I'm doing these clear envelopes that I got off of Amazon. They're super cute, and I just printed with my Canva, not my Canva, my Cricut machine on them. So this binder consists of all my little miniature challenges that are in this little baggie right here. So let's open the bag and let's take out the challenges and let us stuff in our new challenges. Let's go ahead and get the stuffing. So these are my little mini new challenges. We have the Scratch and Save. We have Bad Girls Club, which are the new ones. We have It Girl. We have Puff Girl, and we also have Showstopper. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on stuffing these new challenges. So let's start with what's first. Scratch and Save is first. So let's go ahead and start with our Scratch and Save. See where we left off here. And all these challenges are available on the website. The link is in the description below if you guys are interested. Go ahead and check them out. I'm looking to see where I left off. Okay, here's where we left off on the Scratch and Save. So for the Scratch and Save, let's go ahead and scratch and see how much money we'll be saving. Okay, so eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a puppy by his toe. If you ever let him go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So let's scratch this one. Can't find my scratcher. Is this $5? Okay, so we have $5 for Scratch and Save so far. So let's do another one because we have $100, okay? So let's do another one. Eeny, my mo, catch a puppy by his toe. If you go, eeny, my mo. Wait, what? Let me just randomly pick one. I'll pick the middle one. So we have a $5 and we have a $10. So we're gonna save $15 for Scratch and Save today. So $15 out of our $100 is gonna be the Scratch and Save going towards Scratch and Save. Added. So far Scratch and Save we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have $150 in Scratch and Save so far. Not bad. I think I completed one whole card and I'm on the second card now. So that's not bad at all. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is Puff Girl. Okay, so we're supposed to have 105, I think, remaining for the remaining challenges. So let's get into Puff Girl. So let's find her. For Puff Girl, how much money would we like to save? Let's do a $20 for Puff Girl. You grab my marker. So for Puff Girl, we're saving $20. So let's go ahead and shade in our little flower. A little $20 flower. I was gonna buy colored markers, but I didn't. I changed my mind. I didn't pick it up. I was just kind of being like, I don't need it. But Puff Girl, we're gonna put $20 in there. So we're going into Puff Girl. We're adding $20 to that envelope. Moving on, we're going for Showstopper. And for Showstopper, let's also add $20 to this challenge as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do X's. They're all $5, so let's do 4 X's. And let's add our $20. We could probably do a 10 and 2 5s. So our Showstopper challenge. And let's add that to the envelope. Next up we have It Girl. So this is the It Girl. It's also $5 increments as well. So let's go ahead and add let's add $30 to It Girl. So that's what, 3, that's 6 5s. So So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And we're gonna go in and we're gonna add 30. So this is our 30. We're adding it to the It Girl envelope. Okay, and with that added, last but not least, we have Bad Girls Club. This is a bundle of 4 available. All of these are available on the website if you guys are interested. And as y'all can see, they're really low income. So if you're low income, you can try it out. So how much money do we have left? We have 10, 20, 30, 35. 10, 20, 35. Okay, so let's put $30 in Bad Girls Club. Let's start with the front one. So this is a 20 and this is a 10, makes it 30. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 in Bad Girls Club. Okay, and then we're gonna put that up. And the last $5 we have, let's add it to Showstopper or to Puff Girl. Let's add it back to one of the other challenges that we just passed. Let's do Puff Girl. Being that Puff Girl has the most, I think, let's put $5 more on her. Why do I keep putting my marker away like I'm not using it? So here's the $5. Shade that in. And here you have it. So we're gonna go ahead and put $5 into Puff Girl. Let's look back for her. Nope, we passed it. Here she goes. Okay, and that is it for our mini low income saving challenge stuffings. We're gonna go ahead and we literally got started in all these challenges. The scratch and save been started, but we got started on 4 new ones. So let's go ahead and put them away in our little pouch, which I love so much. The cutest pouch on earth. So that is it today, y'all, for the mini low income saving challenge cash stuffing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let us save together and let us build wealth together and let us get financially stable together. Okay, so please remember that there are links in the description, link to my website, link to my personal channel. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check those links out as well. And I love y'all so much. Mwah, mwah. Bye.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count